Let's first see how to inflate a balloon with a hand pump. A hand pump is usually divided in two parts. On this pump, which might be slightly different in color and shape from the one you received, the dark pink part is used for exerting the pumping movement, while the yellow part is used to hold the balloon. Gently insert the nozzle of the pump inside the lip of the balloon, making sure that there is no blockage along the way. Like here, for example. The nozzle was lopsided when it got inserted, and you will never be able to inflate the balloon that way. You must also hold the balloon in the same time as you hold the yellow handle of the pump. If not, this is what will happen. Now, with these words of caution, and with your balloon correctly inserted, simply apply a back and forth movement on the body of the pump, just like that. Now let's see how to make a knot. It's quite simple. Let's do it slowly, step by step. The ideal, if you're a beginner, is to have as much margin as possible below the lip of the balloon. In case you didn't leave enough space, don't worry, there is a way to get some back. Simply pinch the balloon further down below the lip and let the air escape from the upper part. Good. Now that you have enough space, keep that balloon pinched with one hand while your other hand rotates so that you see the back of that hand and not its palm. And with its thumb and its index, pinch the balloon below the first hand. Then, position your middle finger right beside your index and rotate that hand again so that you can now see its palm. In so doing, your index and your middle fingers are now acting as a hook and your thumb is free. A loop has been formed with the non-inflated part of the balloon, and there is a small gap between your index and your middle finger. Feed the lip of the balloon through that small gap and tighten the loop while pulling it away from your fingers. Just like that. So, making knots is actually very simple. And once you get the hang of it, you can do it very fast.